Get ready to take your videos to the next level with 3 groundbreaking features: AI Captions, AI Characters, and Image Enhancements. Hi, my name is Nikki, and I'm the Social Media Manager here at CapCut. I'm here to introduce the latest updates to CapCut, the ultimate editing tool for content creators like you. For all the latest product update tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the CapCut YouTube channel. Let's dive into the first feature, AI Captions. Say goodbye to manual captioning. With CapCut's AI Captions, you can now leverage the power of artificial intelligence to automatically generate subtitles for your videos. CapCut's AI Captions also supports translations in over 20 languages, making it easier than ever to reach a global audience. Want to reach a Spanish-speaking audience but only know English? AI Captions can translate your videos in English to support Spanish captions. And with one-click addition of subtitle templates, you can add a touch of style to your captions in seconds. It's a game changer for efficiency and accessibility. Up next, we have AI Characters.
Hi, I'm Victoria, one of CapCut's many AI characters.
Ever wish you could quickly add animated characters to your videos? Now you can, thanks to CapCut's AI-powered technology. Whether you're creating tutorials, vlogs, or educational content, AI characters bring your videos to life in a whole new way. Start by adding your script to a text graphic within your CapCut project. From there, select your text, and in the top right corner, you'll see the AI character option. Here, you'll see a full list of characters ready to bring your script to life. They come fully equipped with a variety of wardrobe options, and you can also decide if they're just standing still while addressing the camera, or give your video some energy and have them walk and talk. Some of the characters can even hold their phone and take a selfie video, and the customizations don't end here. Once you've decided on the look and style of your AI character, you still have a ton of options to hone your character to perfection. Simply click on the AI character block in your timeline to reveal the character setting window in the top right. Click on Script to update their dialogue if you want to change what your AI character is saying. The Video tab gives you the option to reposition and rotate your character. Click the Mask sub-tab to crop a shape around your character. Clicking Background gives you plenty of colorful backdrops and some professional still frame options as well. And CapCut Pro users can also retouch their character to add even more character by adjusting their skin tone, whitening their teeth, and even adjusting their smile lines. Click on Voice to change the tone of how your character speaks, and the Voice Changer sub-tab, which offers some very creative elements. Perhaps the most important option here is speed, which gives the opportunity to make sure that whatever your character is saying will time out perfectly with the intended length of your video. Click on Animation to make your character magically appear and magically disappear as well. In the Adjustment tab, you can fine-tune the color correction to your liking. Now that your AI character is fully customized to best suit your unique style and message, let's talk about Image Enhancement. With CapCut's AI-driven technology, you can now enhance the visual quality of your still image with just a few clicks. Click on your image in the timeline to reveal all of the customization options in the top right, just like you did with your AI character. Even though it's a still image, click the Video tab to make adjustments like transforming your image, removing the background, masking, and retouching. From color correction to sharpness adjustments, and from animations to AI stylization, CapCut's Image Enhancement tool gives your images that professional, polished look that they deserve. So what are you waiting for? Update to the latest version of CapCut today and unleash your creativity like never before. With AI Captions, AI Characters, and Image Enhancement, the possibilities are endless. Happy editing! Bye! Feeling inspired? Click here to explore more CapCut 101 and turn your video into a masterpiece.